presented you guys my profile picture, our 1949 Chevy 3100. It's another 3100 we have in the back. So this truck is pretty much fully restored. Well, not restored, I guess resto mod, whatever. It's lowered on 17-inch center lines. It has a small block. It has a small block 305 in it. Just redid the brake booster, master cylinder, all that. Headers all the way back to a not Flowmaster. I think it's a Summit Racing muffler. Just took it to show. It's another truck we got. That's a 56. So it has no tailgate right now. The wood is pretty old. This restoration was done back in about, I'd say 2000. It was finished in about 2010. No, maybe before that, like 2009, 8. The wheels are missing a lug nut each because we're supposed to have the keys for it, but never came back. So sneak peek of the interior. Sweet front end again. Custom mirrors, and it has suicide doors. The interior is brown, peanut butter brown. Just went to a show right now. Just has these 3 gauges, water, oil, and the volts. It's floor shifter, and these are for the doors, the poppers. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Sound clip for you guys. Sounds. My water bottle back here, gas tank's back here. I think it's like a 10-gallon fuel cell around there, because it does not get pretty far. So yeah guys, this is the 49 that's in my profile picture. It's a cool little truck. Little truck to cruise around. So thanks for watching. hit the like, subscribe button, and catch you on the next one.